Welcome back, Game It Good Nation, my legendaries, because your time is a treasure to me and I appreciate you. This is Fighter 9 for the Legend Gamers TV, and today we're going to add a game on Steam for those of you wondering how to use those passwords I give you. Under the Games tab, you'll see several options. One, of course, the primary, you can view your games library. We'll start at the bottom though, and that's where you can add non-Steam games so your buddies can see you when you're on doing your thing. And then of course manage your guest passes and gifts. That's a very important section that I use for all you guys. And then of course the next section above that is going to be redeem a gift card or some Steam money that you also may receive as a gift from whoever. And then above that is what we came here for: activate a game on Steam. That's where you're going to put your codes in that you receive. Here, once we select activate a game on Steam, we'll see options for disclaimers and of course the user agreement. We're going to sign our lives away and give Gabe all our money. Alright, next. Here's where we will enter the serial key. We'll get our serial key. Steam takes various combinations of keys and it gives examples down there. And next. Alright, our digital receipt, more or less. This is showing the game we've selected, and we're going to go ahead and finish up the process. And this gives us one final option to put the title when on our PC in a exact folder or a selected folder. Really just go next. It'll get you what you want. And the game, you can see the progress at the bottom of the screen is going to upload there. You know, it's going to upload there, and you can see that in another area. Let me see if I can find it for you here. Up in the library downloads, go to library downloads, you can see it all happen. This has been Versus Fighter 9 for the Legend Gamers TV. Till next time, you guys, game it good.